Oh my God, we made it. Guys, don't run, please. Michael! We are at the top of Mount Lassen Peak, Mount Lassen Peak. That's where we're at. Took us about 4 hours to get up here. Lots of breaks with the kids and me. Valley, northern Sacramento Valley out over there. Mount Shasta is over there, if you can see it. See the yellowish area down there, sulfur. Must be some of the volcanic's newest rocks over here where lava once flowed. Hopefully it doesn't erupt again. Look over here, we got snow. Permanent glacier of Mount Lassen here in October, after the warm summer we had. That's pretty neat. No, let's stay up here for right now, okay? Yeah. I see that. That's the yellow and some newest rocks over there. There's Lake Almanor over there. A little bit hazy today, but that's it. This is Mount Lassen. We were just about ready to quit, huh?
Yes,
I was. All right, that's it.
I was.
Gotta take some pictures and we'll head back down.
Even if we